Hello students, we shall start today lesson 10, 6 foolish fishermen. Okay, this is a new chapter for you. Lesson 10, 6 foolish fishermen. So I shall read the lesson for you, then we'll explain to you. You can also open page number 57. Once there were 6 brothers who decided to go fishing. So, once what happened? One day, 6 brothers, they were 6 at home together, all the brothers. 6 brothers decided, what they have decided? They have decided to go for fishing. Fishing means to go and catch the fish. So, they went to the river and picked good spot to fish. So, what they did? The 6 of them went together and they picked, they took good spot. A spot means particular place or area. You can see in the picture, the 6 brothers are sitting there. So what they did one day, they have decided to go for fishing. Where we go for fishing? The bank of the river. Okay, so they went to the river side and they picked up, they took the particular place. Each person have taken their own place. Okay, not together, they did not stand and fish. They have decided, they took their own spot. Spot means a particular place or area for themselves, and they started to do the fishing. I will sit in his boat, said the first brother. What did the first brother say? I will sit in this boat. So the first brother told, the elder one maybe, no? So he told that other brothers, I will sit in the boat, said the first brother. And I will kneel on this raft. What is the meaning of raft? A flat structure of logs tied together and used as boat. You can see in the picture here, the person is sitting on the, kneeling on the raft. That is with the log they make it together. The flat structure of logs tied together. The many logs tied together and used as a boat. And what is the log? You know, no? You know log. What it is log? Log is a part of the trunk of the tree or branches. The part of the trunk of the tree or branches. But that we say log, isn't it? So what did the second one told? The other 5 brothers, dear brother, I will kneel on this raft. The log tied made as a boat. I will kneel on that, and the third, I will lean on his log. I will lean. Lean means to move into a sloping position. What is the meaning of lean? To move into a sloping position. So the third one told the other brothers, dear brothers, I will lean on this log. I will lean on this log and do the fishing. Okay, said the fourth brother. Now what did the fifth brother told? And I will lie on this rock, said the fifth brother. So you can see one is lying on the rock and doing the fishing. So fifth brother told what? Other brothers, I will lie on this rock and do the fishing. And that is exactly. And I will walk on this bank, said the sixth brother. So what did the sixth brother told? I will walk on the bank of the river and do the fishing. I will not have any fixed place. I will just move here and there and do the fishing. So what did the sixth brother, what have they decided? The 6 brothers, once upon a time, when they got up in the morning, they have decided that they will go for fishing. And then what did they do? They went to the bank of the river and they took different particular places or area. Okay, they took the different spot for the fishing. So the first one, the first brother, where did he stand and do the fishing? He kneel on his raft and did the fishing. First one, and the first one sit on this boat, and first one was sitting on the boat and doing the fishing. The second one knelt on this raft and did the fishing, and the third one knelt on this on the log and did the fishing, and the fourth one stood on the bridge and did the fishing, and the fifth one, where did he do the fishing? He lay on the rock and did the fishing. And the last one, the sixth one, how did he do the fishing? He walked on the bank of the river and did the fishing. So 6 persons took the different position. You can see it in the picture. This no textbook. All six persons had a different place or different version to do the fishing. So okay, no? And that is exactly what they did. Each brother fished from the spot he had chosen, and each one had good luck. But when it was time to go, the brothers became little worried. So all have different spot to stand and catch the fish. One stood the boat, and if you know, when you read, you will understand it. Okay. So when they were going, they might have caught many fish also. Okay, so when it was time to go, the brothers become very worried and panic. Why they become very worried? Do you know? Okay, we have been near the fish, over the river, near the river, and on the river, said the brother. I shall count all the brothers to be sure. There are 6 of us. So from morning till evening, we were different places, different spot and doing the fishing. So we don't know, we were sometimes near the river, sometimes over the river, and sometimes on the river. So we don't know whether the 6 brothers are there or not. So they were little worried about it. If one of us might easily have fallen into the water and been drowned. I shall count all of the brothers to be sure. There are 6 of us. And he began to count. So what worry they had? They told that from morning till evening we were standing different places and doing the fishing. We don't know if any one of you are missing or drowned in the river. We don't know. So to make sure that we all are there, I shall count the other members. So the first one, what he did, he began to count the other brothers. I'll see one brother on the raft. That is 1. So what the brother told one who is counting? I see one brother. I see that one brother is standing on the raft. You know what is raft? No? A flat structure of logs tied together and used as a boat. So I see one brother is standing on the raft. That is 1. Another brother on the log. That is 2. And another brother is on the bridge. That is 3. And another brother is on the rope, that is 4. And another brother is on the bank, that is 5. So he counted 5 of them. Only 5, we have lost a brother in this sorrow. He didn't even notice that he had forgotten to count himself. So in a hurry he was counting the other brothers. He forgot to count himself. He has forgotten to count himself. He counted all the others. So he was in a hurry and panic and worried. So he forgot himself to count himself. That's very interesting story, no? So you understood what this much? So once again, can it really be? Cried the brother on the raft. Has one of us has been drowned, and have we really lost a brother? So he cried and yelled and told that, oh, other brothers, we have lost one brother. You have noticed he might have been drowned in the water. Okay. He might have been drowned in the water. And he too began to count. So the second brother, for a consolation, so he might have told that, no brother, don't hurry, don't cry and weep. I will count. So let me make sure that all of us are there. Okay, so I will count. I see. So and he too began to count. I see one brother on the log. That is 1. and another one on the bridge, that is 2, and another brother on the rock, that is 3, and another brother on the bank, that is 4, and another brother on the boat, that is 5. Only 5. What will our dear brother say? And he too did not notice that he had forgotten to count himself. So the first one also in a hurry, he did not count himself. And the second one also counted almost all, and 5 of them he counted, and he forgot to count himself. So here also he cried out, saying that we have lost one brother, he has drowned. So you remember the heading of the lesson, 6 foolish fishermen, because they are fools. That is why they are not counting themselves. They are counting all the others, but they are not counting themselves. This is the story. I have finished half of the lesson. It's very interesting, very simple. Okay, so there are a few difficult word meaning. Okay, that's the first one is spot, that is particular place or area. Okay, lean means to bend also we can say, or to move into a sloping position, leaning on the desk, we say no. So leaning, to bend or to move into a sloping position, we can say. Okay, so and log, what is a log? L-O-G, log. The meaning of log is a particular a part of the trunk of the tree, or we can say, or a large branch. We say it a part of the trunk of the tree, or a part of the big branch, we can say it as a log. Okay students, I hope you have understood the story. Very interesting. You go through the lesson again and again, read it, okay, and write down the difficult words, word power in your copy, fair copy. Okay students, thank you for listening.